The HighPeak Mini Projector is marketed as the ultimate solution for movie nights at home, claiming to offer a cinematic experience without the hefty price tag of a large TV. Compact and stylish, this gadget promises to fit in the palm of your hand and project images up to 120 inches wide, turning any wall or ceiling into your private theater. It sounds like a dream come true for movie buffs and gamers alike, but is it really as good as it seems? Let's dive into the details. One of the first red flags is its brightness claims. The projector advertises a range of 600 to 2,000 lumens, which may sound impressive, but falls far short of what's required for outdoor use or even well-lit indoor settings. Most outdoor projectors need at least 5,000 lumens to produce clear and vibrant images. This makes us question whether the HighPeak Mini Projector can truly deliver the crisp, cinematic experience it promises, especially for those hoping to enjoy it outside under the stars. Another concern lies in the marketing images featured on its website. By performing a quick reverse image search, it's easy to find the same photos plastered across multiple other websites. This indicates that the images are likely stock photos or reused content, casting doubt on whether the HighPeak Mini Projector actually matches the polished, professional visuals used to sell it. Authentic brands typically showcase original product photography, so this reuse feels deceptive. The reviews on the product's official website add to the skepticism. They're overwhelmingly positive, with every review glowing with praise and no mention of any flaws. Yet, a quick look at platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit tells a very different story. Many users report negative experiences, from the projector failing to meet basic expectations like screen mirroring and app compatibility to receiving defective products, or in some cases, nothing at all. Others have complained about misleading refund policies, where returns are ignored or made nearly impossible due to steep shipping costs to China. To make matters worse, the customer service appears unhelpful and dismissive, leaving many buyers feeling scammed. While the HighPeak Mini Projector might not outright qualify as a scam, its quality leaves much to be desired. The product often fails to deliver on its promises, and the deceptive marketing tactics raise serious concerns. If you're considering purchasing this projector, you might want to think twice. There are likely better, more reliable options out there that won't leave you disappointed.